Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Graphic Visual Solutions in Greensboro, North Carolina. This piece was designed in-house by Phil McCormick and Scott Engel at Graphic Visual Solutions. They're actually a corporate sponsor and the official print provider for the PGA's Wyndham Golf Championship. So they host a lot of their clients there at the event as well. So they created this really nice invitation that I thought you would love. I love the simplicity of the format, the personalization, the special print effects. Really, really nice. So first of all, there's personalization. Martha, please be our guest. So definitely each one was personalized. These were mailed in clear envelopes so that they showed really well in the mail as well. I'm hopeful that you can see this on the camera, but there's also a golf ball texture going on as well. And this was done printed digitally on an HP Indigo 7900. And this is raised clear ink that's creating this golf ball texture. That's really cool. So anyway, you lift up this little ribbon and you slide the cover open. So I love how it locks it shut. And in essence, it's really a little gatefold that has an extra little shape right here and a score right here. And so this folds up, and then this has a slit right here, and this slides in and tucks down. So I love how you get this kind of ribbon effect. I love the opening mechanism here and how they're kind of using each area to pull your eye to the different points of information. And, you know, the rest of the info is here and a personalized URL and everything else. So but I love how simple this is. This is really die cut score, hand fold. They did about 450 of these. And I love the use of special print effects, creative format. I love the locked cover. So I would call this a vertical locked gate. So really, really well done. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Vertical locked gate mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.